Hi loves, welcome back to my space. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you're in OG, I see you. Thank you so much for the continuous support. Guys, today I'm under the weather, but no one can stop reggae. We're still going to do this video. So today I'm back with another video and we're going to do a DIY on stems. Remember how we struggled with stems on the previous video, and I promised I'm going to show you an easy way of making stems. Here is the easiest way. Here are two easy ways of making the stems, because we struggled. If you haven't watched my previous video, you better go back and watch before watching this, because you won't understand what we're doing. But anyway, I already have my palm leaf. So what you're going to do, we're going to attach stems in two methods. One, we're going to use this one, the first one, which just folding the paper into like a small fold, and then you're going to separate them and add glue. That's one method. And also the second one, we're going to use skewers. So don't be in a rush, stick by and let's do this together, because when we struggle, we find solutions. We struggle and find solutions. As I said, I'm under the weather, so if you hear my voice is shaking, manze, nielewe tu, mtu asikuje kuniambia na wing it's not ni kasauti kameleta shida, niko na homa mbaya, but I must do this for you guys. So we start by making sure our leaf is looking this good, and wow, the small ones are just showing off. See the way that palm leaf look, it's really showing off. So what we're going to do, we're going to start by adding glue to our folded paper. And again, working with small surfaces, you have to be gentle with this glue gun, because utachomeka. So just be gentle with this, and then attach the leaf at the bottom. See, just attach, and then the remaining part of the stem will go straight to the leaf, and they look like they're coming from they're coming from one piece. You see the way it looks? See how nice that looks? See how cute that looks? You can't even tell where you have attached the stem from. You see the way it looks cute? That's our first stem. And I'm in love with this one, because hey, this is the easiest. It's not like that easy, but it is easy, as you can see, because there's nothing we've done. We've just attached the folded part, and we have our first stem. Then we go to the next one. Checky, just a reminder, if you're watching this video and did not watch the previous one, let me just do this for you. This is how we create those palm leaves. If you did not watch the previous video, which I'll highly advise you go back and watch, because it has a lot, it entails a lot. So this is how we made our palm leaves, and from the previous video and now this video that you're using. So I had to do this for those who never watched, but they're watching this video, so don't feel left out. Once you have your palm leaf, we're going to do our second method of attaching the stem. Man, if you watch the previous, you know how we struggled. I really struggled doing the stems, but I also did two types of stems on the previous one. I did two types, and here are other two types, like two methods. Two methods. So you already have 4 methods on how you can attach your stem on any type of flower you're making, or any type of leaf you're making. These are the most common and easiest ways of doing the stems. So this one, after you've made the nini, we're going to cut into two. You remember me on the other video saying we separate them? Yes, we are going to separate them just like that, and then we're going to glue them back together. I know someone is asking, why cut them and then glue them together? We're just cutting so that we can have a flat edge, or just have a smooth ending at the center, at the bottom of the entire leaf. See the way it looks? It looks like it's just one folded paper that we have made. It doesn't have that kibalki thing at the middle, you see? So it's just flat. Then we're going to add glue at the center where we have joined them. You take one space, you join, you add your skewers. You see how it looks? Like, It's simple, it doesn't need a lot. Then once you have done, you're going to fold. Akiona, ona, see the way that stem was first to attach. See the way it was first to attach. Then my CEO is here, anataka kunisumbua, but let's do this. So we're going to take, I saw once I've done the skewers, I saw that we have raw edge at the bottom, and we want to cover that raw edge. So what we are going to do, we just hold them together. Akiona venye naka vizuri. See, I love this. And then you're going to add another folded paper. This one you can add paper or just do what is it called, do the yarns as we did previously. On the other video we did yarns, yeah. So this one, to cover the raw edge, you can I'm saying, that's my sister trying to see whether the glue gun is hot, because I told my son this thing is hot. And then my sister was like, where is it hot? You see, my people, be careful, especially on the tip. This tip is super hot. The tip is super hot. So be careful, be gentle and careful. So once you've done, you're going to, as I said, you just have to roll that piece over. Don't do too much because it will look weird. So I did a lot on this. But again, just do two rolls. Roll it twice and then glue it down with your glue gun, or if you have your paper glue, just glue it down. But hey, we are done. Imagine, check, we have 2 flowers, like we have 2 palm leaves, looking so nice, having their stems there. Onatu, that's the easiest stems that I've made. So these are 2 methods of how to make your stems, and previously we had done already 2. So go back and watch the first video and say the 2, and then come watch this and see how cute it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye. I love you guys.